Hello and welcome to Sudoku. Here is a puzzle by MadMahogany, whose real name is written here. It's called Equation Sudoku, and it was featured in the round 4 of Sudoku Mahabharat. It was a math round, and you can see operations here: a division, an addition, a subtraction, an exponentiation, and a multiplication. And all we have to do is satisfy those relations. And all I can say about the round is that I broke this puzzle during the contest, and I was, I was mad just. But it's a really fun puzzle. Okay, so let's start with this because there are only two options for exponentiation with the digits with 1 to 9. It could only be 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8, but it wouldn't work because of this 8. And the other option is 3 to the power 2, which is 9. So we get 3 digits to begin with. Something else is with divisions and multiplications. Because the results are only one digit, multiplications can only be 2 times 3 equal to 6, 2 times 4 equal to 8. And divisions will be 6 divided by one of them equal to the other, or 8 divided by one of them equal to the other. So here it's a 6, and we have a 2-3 pair. Here it's also 6 with a 2-3 pair. Here it won't be 8, so it won't be 6, sorry, so it has to be 8 together with 2 and 4 in this order because of these two. And now the real story begins. I mean, those are really forced. Now we need to see what to do with the rest. Okay, where shall I begin? This cell seems to be constrained. There are only two candidates, which are 3 and 9. Something else. Here we have a sum. Is it the right place to look, or is it here? I don't remember. I solved it after the round, but I don't remember. Let's have a look at this column. We still need 1, 4, 7, and 8. No, 1, 4, 8, and 9, actually. And that's not very useful. So where do we work? Here or there? Or here or here? I must decide. Let's have a look here. The minimum value of this sum is 1 plus 4, which is 5. So it can be any number, but do we need to have a 1 in here? If I don't put a 1 here, then it's 4 plus 5, 9, and that works. Oh, sorry, I had missed this. This 4 is not there, so it has to be here. That's a good deduction. So the remaining 3 cells here are 4, 5, 7, and 9. And that leaves only 4 options for this digit, which are 1, 3, 6, and 8. And this one now must be 1, 5, 4, 5, 7, or 9. but obviously 9 won't be in the sum. It can be the result, but not one of the operands. Oh, this 4 is forbidden. So we get this and that. And this sum can't be 8, can't be 6. So this can't be 5 or 7. This digit can't be 5 or 7 because the only... No, sorry. This digit can't be 5 or 7 because the result then would have to be 6 or 8. So this digit must be a 1. And this can't be a 1, obviously. But the remaining 3 are all possible. So each one of them is paired with the corresponding digit here. All right, there has to be a 5 somewhere and can only appear in this cell. And this 7 is not here, it can only be here. So this is resolved. That's a 7, this is a 6. And this now is, this one goes there, 3 goes here, and we get an 8 there. Good. Now these digits must be 9 and 4. Because of this 4, we get 4 here, 9 here. We get a 3 up there. And these must be 6 and 7. And these must be 2, 5, and 9. That's good progress. Here the options are 1, 5, 6, and 7. So this is 1 or 5. And this obviously won't be a 1. Now, where do we look? The digits here can't be too big to have a sum at most 7. And you see that 1, 2, and 3 are not available for this. So this is at least 4. At most 6. But now 1 and 3 are not available. And we must go from one digit that is at least 4 to a digit that is at most 7. So the difference must be at most 3, and it has to be a 2. And then this 6 is not possible, and this 5 is not possible. It will have to be 4 and 6, or 5 and 7. All right. What then? Oh, and I mentioned that we could have 4 plus 5 equal to 9, but now we can't because of this. So we can't have 4 and 5, so there has to be a 1 here, and it must be there, and we get a 1 here by the usual Sudoku deductions. Now we have consecutive digits here. The options there are 4, 5, 7, 8. That's a lot of options. So I don't think I should focus on that. On this row, I still need 2, 9, and 4. So there has to be a 4 here, and this is a 5. And this is a 7. So I get this 5. And I get this 1. And a 6 there. 2, 9, and 4. So this is 4 or 9. This is 4 or 9 as well. There's no 2 here, so there's a 2 there. That's not a 5. So I get all those digits. And these ones, now there must be a 7. It's here. So this is an 8. And the missing one is an 8. We need a 9 on this row, and in this operation 9 can only go to the left. So what will it be? Well, actually there must be a 7 on this row. It can only go there. So now 6 has to go here, and it must be, well, 3 and 6 in some order, which is yet to be found. So now that's a 2, that's a 3. Get 2, 4, and 8 here. And there's still this operation, but let's do some classic Sudoku first. We need 5, 8, and 9. Oh, actually 8 is not here, so 8 is here. So 5 and 9. And 3 and 4 here. We still need 5, 9, 7, and 6 and 4, but I don't know where they go. On this row, we still need 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 6, so this is 2 or 3. Oh, that's a 2, 3 pair here. We need a 1, 6 pair there. This 5 is not here, nor there. It has to go here. On this row, I still need 2, 3, 7, and 9. So I get 3 or 9 here, 3 or 9 there, and 2 and 7 in those cells. And that should strongly restrict what happens here, because we must choose between 5 digits, which are 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 3, and 9. So what are the options? It could be 9 minus 6 equal to 3 is equal to 3, or the other way around. It could be 4 minus 1 equal to 3, or the other way around. But the result won't be 1, so it will be 3 or 6. And we get a 3, 6 pair. Note that we still need a 5 on this column, but, well, there are too many options. And now, here this is, oh, this can't be a 9. Okay, so it has to be a 4. And then this is a 3. This is a 1. So that's a 2, that's a 3, that's a 2. What else do we get? A 6 here, a 3, a 9 here, a 3, 4, 3, 9, 4. So lots of deductions. And then, oh, this one makes this a 6, this a 1. We still need 6 and 9. And we just need to find what happens here. On this column, we still need 4, 8, and 6. And here we get an 8. Here a 6. That's a 4, that's a 2, that's an 8. That's a 7, that's a 2. Now 1 and 1, well, that makes 2, but that makes this one. This is a 7, 9, 5, 7. And the last 2 digits now are this 5 and this 4, and it all works out. So that's a very nice puzzle by MadMahogany. Equation Sudoku. with various kind of logic. And that was really fun. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Sudoku.